Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to post a question on the RedNote app on iPhone. So if you recently just installed RedNote and you want to introduce yourself to everyone, then the best way is to ask a question and people will basically comment answering your questions. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you first go to your app store, search for RedNote and make sure it's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, go ahead and tap on the plus sign here. And now here you can go ahead and post a video or a photo. However, we want to ask a question. So here at the top, we'll tap on image text. And now here we'll ask the question. Then we'll go ahead and tap on generate. This will now take your question and generate it into an image. So here, I've generated a question here. What is RedNote all about? Now down below here, I've got different variations to choose from. Then I'll tap on OK. So here I can go ahead and give a title. I can give a location and I can set it to public or private. I'll leave it as it is and tap post. It's asking me for a mobile number. So I'll go ahead and enter in my mobile number. And now I've posted my first question on RedNote. So there you go, guys. That is how to post a question on RedNote app through your iPhone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.